Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you saw the other video that I just made earlier. This is my friend. We are gonna go destroy Granny. Okay, we are gonna go destroy Granny in her house. And he has his own gun. I have this. And I have a full bag of ammo. This is whole.
He has a baby toy. He has a baby toy.
It is not a toy. It's a real gun.
Okay, I thought you would not. I thought you would.
It shoots out coins.
My
okay,
bad.
it shoots out coins.
My bad. It does? Nice.
Yes, but you do not get. Okay, come on. Okay, do not go here.
Ow.
Follow me to Granny's. Bro, oh my god. Hopefully he knows what I'm talking about because I told him before. Bro, come back here.
Come back.
Come here.
Oh, there you go. I accidentally went on the fan.
I don't care.
On accident.
Okay, be careful. Of all these landmines, I do not trust you on any of those. So I'm taking this. Yeah, I don't trust that guy. Okay.
I love
Doing.
that.
No. Don't go to that fan, I swear. Okay, don't go to that fan. Okay. There's a ticking.
Tricks. I'm about to shoot him.
No, okay. Save your ammo. There's Granny. Granny. Oh my god.
Granny.
Hi there. Oh my god.
Granny.
No! Destroyer.
Granny.
I got him. Once.
Granny. Hey, Granny, what's up?
Granny! Oh! Got him. Oh shoot. Flint and steel. Flint and steel. Are you coming back?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, let's go say hi to this. Oh my! I'll just shut him. I promise you guys. Oh my gosh.
Hey, did you get my grappler? You get my grappler?
I have no idea where your grappler is, buddy.
I know where it is.
I have no idea where your grappler is, okay?
I know where it is.
It might have disappeared.
No, it's on the wall. It's on the wall. It's on the wood.
Where? Oh,
Oh, right there.
I can get it. Oh my god.
Granny's back.
There's a human giant. Oh my god. Bro, he's coming, run. Okay, it's loaded. I got your gun.
Okay.
Take it.
There
Come
we
on.
go. You can come.
He can come?
Oh no, watch out. Whoa, that's too full, bud. Oh, he can't cross this area. Give me my grappler. No, my grappler too.
It's still over there. I didn't get a chance
Oh,
to.
luckily I have like 2 or 3 more.
You only have to. Here.
2
No, come here. Take this if you need it.
I already have some. Okay.
I know, but when you
I don't know
run out.
where Huh?
I know, but when you run out of ammo. Wait for the
Well, how
iron
am I
golem.
supposed to?
Wait for the iron golem to come. He's very sensitive. Stop chickens! Oh my god. Stupid chickens.
I'm about to shoot.
Oh my god. Run! They're coming. He's coming. Run.
My headset's on 3%.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Hey, can I give you a volunteer?
Don't shoot me. That little guy. Oh my gosh. Bro, he's about to get a spank in the butt after he sees this. Shit, yeah, I have enough. Yeah, I'm gonna go get him with a revolver. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Da-na-na-na, Batman. Okay. He will not expect that thing. Where is that little guy? I see my stuff down here. Yeah. Come here, buddy. Hello, Johnny. Come here. Johnny. Come out, wherever you are. I swear if I die from one of those landmines. I do not know how that thing is, but okay. Hey, Johnny, what are you? Come out, whatever you are. If he's gone, I want to show you all my guns. Yep, he's gone. Okay, I'm going to show you my whole stack of guns. Okay, it should be in this bag. Eject item. Okay. He's gone. I can just set all my stuff there. It's all my stuff. Boombox. Yeah. Express this, baby. Oh my gosh. Nice. Sweet. This shit's the same thing. Oh, smaller though. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Perfect. Just in case I'm loading all of them up. If there's ever an emergency. This, my friends. I don't know how you start it, but. Here, here's. I'll play it. Those bags are pretty good. Anything else? Nope. It's empty. I'll just go sell this bag, even though I'm probably gonna get nothing. At least it'll be a try. So. Only one. It's funny. How much would this be? 12 research points. 25,000. Okay, comment. That's 2,500. Comment down below if I should get this. And then I can become humongous. I will show you what I mean by humongous. Okay, oh, great heavens, I hate this. It's my other friend that showed me this. I might get it, I don't know. I mean, let's get it. Whoa. Whoa. So, head up here. A plunger. Okay. What? Okay, I'll show you. Oh, heck no. Please forgive me, I actually almost said the H word. Oh, is this it? Oh, that's probably just the creepiest balloon ever. Where is this? Oh, there it is. I believe it's there. Oh gosh, it's pretty laggy for me. Let's go to this hand because I'm right-handed. Yeah, this is what I need. I want that one. I need 5 though. Shall we? Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh. No, I ain't gonna skull. I do not know they even sell those things. They're useless. Well, now my God, not again. I mean, I don't need to. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here now. Remember, in the next video, I might have this. Okay? Peace.